Hey, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash. We are now in Milwaukee, Oregon. So in some of my previous videos, you guys heard me say Vancouver, Washington. We've actually just moved a little bit south of our former location. So doing an unboxing video today. We got some new pressure washing shirts in. We did some logo changes. You guys can probably see from the hat there. We got these hats done at Queensboro. They did a fantastic job, but we've done some logo changes, some rebranding this year. It's been a great year. So I just wanted to show you guys some new shirts that we got in from FinPrint. Let's take a look. All right, guys, there's the box, and there's my son Nathan. He's going to be helping me open this box up today, and we'll check out the shirts. Let's take a look. All right, what do we got in the box there? Oh, look at that. There is the polo. What's the back of it look like? Very nice. One thing that we're trying to do this year, guys, I'm sure I have mixed reviews on this, but we took our phone number off of this. We're trying to get people to go online and book online, so just something a little bit different that we're doing this year. All right, what else have we got there? Another polo. All right, go ahead and move to the next one. Oh, there's, is that a hoodie? That looks like a nice hoodie. Pull the hood back there so I can see the logo. There we go. That's a good looking hoodie. Of course, the same things on the back as all the other ones. Got our American flag, member of the PWRA. All right, what else have we got in there? Oh, what is that? Another hoodie? Awesome. Yeah, just lay it on top of that other one. The last hoodie that I had, I was just starting to wear it out. I'll show you guys them shirts here in just a second. We got some long sleeves. So this last year I had shirts just like this, but I had the short sleeves, so I wanted to give some of these long sleeve shirts a try and see how they work out. So not sure how many of them I ordered. There's like 2 or 3 of them. It's another long sleeve. Another long sleeve. Anything else in there? Oh, there's the short sleeve ones. These shirts worked really well last year. I say last year, I mean this past summer. And there's another short sleeve. All right, is that all? Is there more in there? Oh, FinPrint sure knows how to pack these things in there. That's a pretty small box for all these shirts. So don't be disappointed if you get a really tiny FinPrint box that shows up at your house. They got it packed in there real nice.
I don't know if I got more than one.
Oh, is there? Wow. Just keeps going, huh? All right, what's that? Another short sleeve? Okay. All right, another short sleeve. That should be all of them, right? All right, guys, them are the new FinPrint shirts. I'm going to show you real quick these old ones I laid out here. So this was the old design that we were doing. As you guys can see, these have been used all year long. If you guys are going to get shirts from FinPrint, I would probably advise against white as much as possible. There is a couple little spots here and there on them, but considering that these have done hundreds of jobs this year, and just, I don't know how many roofs, we've done a ton of roofs this year, and for it to just to have a few spots, this shirt held up really well. There's very little fading on here. And then over here, the hoodie took a little more abuse. There's a little spot right there, but that was probably 12.5 SH on there, like straight SH on that sleeve there, and that's all it did. So again, a little bit of fading on the jacket, but all in all, these things have done their job. They've held up very, very well. So if I didn't have a logo change, I probably would have used these going into next year. All right, guys, have a great day. Again, if you're looking for pressure washing shirts, go with Fin Print. In my opinion, they're the best shirts out there. They hold up the best.